With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to observe the given statements and select the correct statement, the true statement out of these. And all of these statements are about our pectoral girdle. So let's discuss the significance of pectoral girdle. It is a very important element in our skeletal system because it is with the help of the pectoral girdle that our arm or our forelimb articulates with the rest of the skeletal system or the axial skeleton. So we have a synovial joint. The pectoral girdle is an example of a ball and socket joint, and here we are going to see how this pectoral girdle is formed. Pectoral girdle basically means the shoulder, because the shoulder is the site where the arm is articulating with the rest of the body. And how the shoulder joint is formed? We see that mainly there are two bones. We have a bone called scapula, which is commonly also known as the shoulder blade, and it is a flat triangular structure formed in the dorsal part of the chest, that is the thorax. So this scapula has an elevated ridge. This elevated ridge projects as a process called the acromion process, and the second bone, which is an important part of the pectoral girdle, which is called the clavicle, articulates with the scapula with the help of this acromion process. This clavicle is commonly also known as the collarbone, and both of these bones together form the shoulder joint because below this acromion process we have a cavity known as the glenoid cavity, and it is in this cavity that the head of the humerus, that is the head of the bone in our upper arm, is going to come and articulate, thus forming the shoulder joint. So let's read the statements that have been given to us. First, they are saying head of humerus bone articulate with acetabulum. No, acetabulum is not the name of the cavity of the pectoral girdle. As we have just mentioned, this cavity is the glenoid cavity found below the acromion process. Next, they're saying head of humerus bone articulates with glenoid cavity of pectoral girdle. So this statement is correct, because if we look at the other statements, they're saying head of humerus articulates with acetabulum of pelvic girdle. So we are not talking about pelvic girdle here. Humerus bone is associated with our shoulder joint. And next they are saying humerus bone articulates with glenoid cavity in pelvic girdle. So again, incorrect statement. Glenoid cavity and humerus are associated with our pectoral girdle, not the pelvic. So correct answer is option P. The head of the humerus is going to articulate with the glenoid cavity in our pectoral girdle, thus forming the ball and socket joint called the shoulder, which helps our arm to articulate with the rest of the axial skeleton.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.